Silence. Silence is so comforting and nourishing. Silence nourishes our mind, body, and soul. It also helps in self-reflection because being with yourself in silence helps you to be more comfortable. Silence also helps you to be more creative. So that's my current artwork that I'm doing. It's an acrylic and rhinestone combination of a very small painting 4x4 canvas. So silence and the art, aren't they the best combination for your mind? When in silence, we allow our brain to process our emotions rather than suppressing those emotions. Silence relaxes your mind and body. And isn't it relaxation that helps in healing?
Dustbin removed. Dustbin installed.
How disciplined this Roomba is, finishing its task in a disciplined way and then goes back to its own place. Yeah, and I must say it did a great job.
Charging.
Thank you, Roomba. even when there is no outside noise, your mind is always filled with the inner sound or inner noise called as thoughts. For me, silence helps to see deep within me. What do I want to do? What do I love doing? What I feel right about what I do? Yes, silence is the best friend. I'm sure not all like to be in silence, but yes, it did take me good amount of time to adjust, to accept, and to enjoy and be myself, to make a better version of myself in the silence. I like silence doesn't mean that I don't like to be in the company of family, friends, or relatives. Just that I also like the time to spend in silence for some time, at least in a day. Earlier, I wasn't like this. I did not like silence because silence put me in a situation where my mind was flooded with thoughts that weren't of any use to me. Instead, they put me in a situation to feel myself so low about me, to feel so underconfident. But yes, time and practice is what made me love and like silence. Now I'm in a situation to stay composed, to enjoy silence, and to know and to get creative in the silence. I'm still learning to enjoy my silence, learning to savor the silent moments. When situations were not in my favor, I had to accept my role as a housewife. It did take me a lot of time to accept this responsibility of being a housewife. But as I told you, all it needed was time for me to heal and to accept the things the way they are. That's when I knew I need to work towards towards the positive side of the things that I have, rather than sitting and cribbing about the things that I don't have. In the one factor that helped me to calm the constant running thoughts in my mind was this acceptance of staying and enjoying the silence. In this fast moving world, the fast running crowd, even I was trying to be the fastest in the crowd. So I definitely forgot to pause or to stop. But yes, I think sometimes life itself gives you an opportunity for you to pause, for you to stop and to heal. That's when all you need to do is to accept the way things are, the way life is giving you one more chance. Hey, stop there. Take your time. You can always run again. So, this is how my day was: slow, silent, and definitely calming and nourishing. I usually finish cooking my dinner before my husband is back home so that I get some time to spend with him, talk with him. So, yeah, here I'm making dinner. So, for the dinner today, I made palak chapati and coconut chutney and some chickpea sweet potato salad And here, flat beans bhaji. And some hot rice. That's the moon visible from the window of my room. Okay, moon is here to say us good night. So I hope to see you guys soon. Enjoy the silence, sleep well, take care. And yes, thank you for being with me.